Okay, hey cutie. Hey. Hey. You know, cause what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. You guys, I'm trying to reach 100K. On the road to 100K. I'm gonna reach it, period. Right now I'm almost at 50, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Join the channel, join the mafia, join the gang. You know, we're lit over here, coming with the tutorials for y'all. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos, so go ahead and leave some comments down below of what you want to see, and I'm gonna get it out to you. Like, I'm gonna film it for you. I'm gonna do all videos that y'all want me to do. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. And if I can't do it, I'm still gonna try, period. Anywho, so yes, let's just go ahead and get to this video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be revisiting the Eco Style gel. I know, we like canceled her a while ago, but you know, I just want to see like how it's gonna work on my hair now. Like, my hair definitely done, you know, transition. It's better now, like, you know, as far as like my moisture intake, the way my hair curls, it's not as frizzy anymore. So I really just want to see, like, you know, if Eco Style could come through for my hair like it used to on my edges, because that's all I used to use it for, was just my edges, but I don't even use it for that. But yeah, I just really want to revisit it. So the gel that I'm going to be using today is the Argan Oral one. This used to be my favorite one that I would lay my edges down with every time. It's the only gel that actually used to lay my edges down before I discovered the Edge Booster Edge Control. So this is, you know, one of my old favorite products, but I stopped using it after, you know, all the tea that was about the ingredients. But you know, I'm just like, I've used worse. Like, have I don't know, I'm just saying something, but I'm gonna try it out today and see, you know, what it's giving. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. Like always, I deep condition my hair. My hair is freshly cut as well, because I cut it when I straightened my hair. So, you know, it does feel a little weird because it's a little bit shorter, but you know, my ends are definitely better for it. So yeah, but I do have leave-in conditioner already in. So I have the Mielle leave-in. That's like my favorite leave-in that I always use. And so I try to find like a lot of products that, well, I try to get like a lot of like moisturizing products to see like what was gonna mix well with this, because like, y'all know this gel, I don't know if y'all do know, but it like will like start to ball up with certain products. Like, you can't just like use any type of product and just put it on your hair, because you're gonna get like those flakes and stuff like that sometimes with Eco Style gel. So I'm like, let me see what product's gonna work before I even put it on my hair. So I tried a lot of them, and the only, well, not a lot, I tried like a few, but the only product that, you know, that I picked up that worked was this Mielle Curl Smoothie. So it seemed to mix really well with this, and all I did was like put a little bit of this in the gel on the back of my hand and just mix it up to see if it will ball up, or see if it, like, you know, was really smooth throughout, and it was with it. So I'm gonna be going in with this as my moisturizing cream product, I guess you want to call it. But yeah, so let's just get into it. Yeah, my hair looks a little shorter, but it's okay because it's healthier, you know. And I feel like it's like a little bit thinner, but my hair has been shedding a lot. I don't know why, and I really haven't done nothing to stop it. So, and I remember I asked you guys in one video, like, what is something I could use to like help with shedding, but I forgot which video that was. So if y'all know what can help with shedding, please leave it down below so I can try those techniques out, because I don't want my hair to keep shedding and now it's like my hair is thin and I don't got no hair no more. Like, no, I got to come with the videos for y'all. I'm trying to slay my hair at all times, and I can't have it falling out. So y'all know, leave it down below. Thank you. It could just be my imagination, but I feel like it feels thinner. Like when I was washing my hair, it just didn't feel as thick. I mean, my hair is not that thick anyway. It definitely is on the fine side, but you know, I be feeling like it'd be more hair than this. You know what I'm trying to say? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not gonna stress about it right now because it's gonna psych me out and I'm gonna think like something's going on. I hope not. But yeah, so I'm going in, wetting my hair. And I'm gonna go in with my dimming brush to brush this out. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the, I didn't even say what this is. This is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. That's what this is. So I'm gonna do like 2 pumps. Go ahead and slap that on there, so we can get some good moisture. Go 1 more pump on my ends. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like my hair feels thinner. I don't know. I hope not, y'all. I really hope not, because I love my hair. I don't need it to be falling out. I mean, also, like, leave down below like something that can like make your hair thicker, because my hair is really not ever been thick, but I want it to be a little bit thicker. Okay, so now I'm going in with the gel, and I'm gonna take a good amount, probably about that much, not too much, and just slap that on. Like, cause the last time I did wash and go with Eco Style Gel, my hair was so crunchy. Alright, I'm gonna spray some more water on there, cause you know you need as much moisture you can get when you're working with a gel, especially this one. Okay, this is actually looking pretty cute. Yeah, my hair, it just don't look as thick. Y'all let me know. Y'all be watching my videos. Does my hair look thinner to y'all? What was that? My hair look thinner. I be feeling like I be having more hair on this section. Or maybe I just been grabbing up. I don't know. I'm freaking out, y'all. But that looks pretty good though. Yeah, I don't see it like clumping up or nothing. It looks pretty good. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I'm just pretty much just keep doing this all over my whole head, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna talk y'all head off like I usually do. Okay, y'all, so here is how my hair is looking after I've applied all the products. It's looking pretty good. Okay. Now, let's just pray it doesn't dry super crunchy. You know, Eco Style is known for that, so we're definitely gonna see if anything has changed, which probably hasn't, but still hoping that it's not too crunchy. But you know, I know I'm gonna have a little bit, but you know, we're gonna see if we can work with that. And yeah, so I am going to diffuse my hair. I'm gonna be going in with this blow dryer I got off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box if you guys are interested. I'm gonna leave the link to everything, all the products I use in the description box. I always do, so just check that if you ever, you know, want to know where I got certain products. So yeah, so let's just get diffusing. Period. Okay, y'all, so here is how my hair is looking, all nice and dried. I did go ahead and put some Africa's Best herbal oil. Y'all know this is my favorite oil. I put some of that in my hair, and I also picked it out already. So yeah, this is how it's looking, y'all. There's no crunch, no crunch, no crunch. Ew, yeah, so my hair is super soft and it feels really good. It's definitely defined. Like, y'all, I haven't done wash and go with Eco Style in like years, so I'm like, okay, hey cutie, hey, you know, cause we're looking cute, we're defined, we're shiny, we're fluffy, all that good stuff. Yeah, so y'all, my hair look good. Like, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, even though Eco Style canceled, you know, she might can slide through here and there once in a while. Make sure I just do a good wash, a good, you know, afterwards. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna do too much rambling. That's pretty much it though. Like, I really like my hair. If you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumb up. Leave some comments down below if you want to see any other gel styler specific products that you want me to try that I can get my hands on. Definitely will order it or buy it at the store and try it out for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at onlymianicole. Make sure y'all go follow me over there. I'm trying to hit 10K over there. I'm at like 8,000 right now. So I'm trying to hit 10K on there and 100K on this channel. Like, I'm trying to grow, y'all. I'm trying to really grow my channel. I feel like it's been kind of like, you know, at a stagnant place, and I'm just like, I need to grow. Like, I need to get out there. I need people to see this face. You know, I'm nice, I'm fun, I'm like, you know, coming with the tutorials for y'all. I'm here to help. Anything y'all need, I'm here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Really appreciate you guys watching it and making it to the end. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.